Welcome back, Fragheads. Gather around because today we're taking Halloween Man Hero under the 2024 microscope to see if it's still relevant. Is this sense still saving the day or has it become yesterday's hero? Buckle up because we're going to go over 5 questions about this once lauded lad in a bottle. So let me spray this thing on. Ooh, almost sprayed it in my eyes right there. But first up, let's talk about the $1,000,000 question here, okay? Does this hero still take a punch? Or pack a punch, rather. Pack a punch, right? And I want to answer it like this. Picture this. A merman doing parkour through a citrus grove in the metaverse. Yes, that's Halloween Man Hero for you, in my mind, as it opens up with a classic aquatic whoosh followed by a zesty zing, and it finishes up with a subtle woody kaboom, okay? But here's the twist in 2024. Are we over the fresh aquatic trend or is it as timeless as cat videos? Well, spoiler alert, guys, freshness never really goes out of style, so you're safe on that. Now, where can you rock this scent without smelling like you're stuck in a time loop? Good news here, my fellow time travelers, okay? Halloween Man Hero has still your all day, everyday sidekick. Wear it to your hybrid office, yes. It even smells good over Zoom calls, believe it. And you can also spritz it on for that AI powered dating app meetup that you somehow got the girl to swipe right on you. I think right is okay. Left is down, right is up. Let me know in the comments below. It's versatile enough for your virtual reality workouts and definitely for your real life coffee runs. So in 2024, versatility is king and this hero still wears its cape. Okay? So, who's the target audience here in this brave new world of ours? Well, listen up because this isn't just for us millennials anymore. Gen Z, we see you. And guess what? You can pull this off as well. Okay? Whether you're a digital nomad, a crypto bro, or just someone who wants to smell great while binging the latest VR series. Okay, Halloween Man Hero has got your back, and it's really for everyone and anyone who wants to smell fresh to death without setting off the smart home's fragrance alarm. Okay, now compliments. Okay, we all love compliments, so let's talk about the all important compliment factor here. Because in a world of sensory overload, I'm just thinking about how I just destroyed my phone. It was actually a nice 2 days without a cell phone. I recommend it. And I also don't recommend putting your iPhone underwater for underwater videos. I thought it was waterproof, but it's not. But talking about this sensory overload that we have everywhere, can this hero still turn heads? Well, you bet your limited edition hoverboard it can. Don't be shocked if your AI assistant, or Alexa, or Google, whatever, starts complimenting you without even being prompted. Or maybe if that delivery drone lingers a bit longer than necessary over your home, okay? Because in 2024, standing out is harder than ever. But Halloween Man Hero is like wearing an invisibility cloak that smells amazing. Okay, and this thing is a cheapie, by the way. This is compliments on the cheap. So definitely, if you haven't tried it out, it's worth your while. But last but not least, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say the green superhero in a bottle? In 2024, a true fragrance hero isn't just about smelling good anymore, unfortunately, or maybe not unfortunately. It's about doing good. So, how does Halloween Man Hero stack up there? Well, the brand has made strides to eco friendly packaging and ethical sourcing. There's always room for improvement. It's not saving the planet single handedly, but it's definitely on the right path. So, heads up for that. Again, like I said before, this thing is a real cheapie. If you saw it on the website, they're selling it for like less than $30 for this whole thing. So really not a lot of risk there. But I think if you can say it, this thing is still definitely a solid choice in 2024. It smells like that friend who always knows the latest trends but never tries too hard. And really, in a world of constant change, it's refreshingly familiar, yet never outdated. It's a solid, safe pick, in my opinion, and especially because it's so cheap, you can really not go too wrong with this. But let me know in the comments below. Have you tried it out? Are you curious? Or do you have something that tops this hero in a bottle? I'd love to hear. But remember, in 2024, the right fragrance is like a good AR filter. It should enhance your best qualities, turn heads in both the real and the virtual world, and maybe add a little bit of mystery to your personal brand. So, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.